like that. I am so grateful to Coco because now I feel the presence of Mexico when I come to Euro Disney. I love to hear the music. It does something to me when I hear this Mexican music, and that I see that all the new generations of kids are more in touch with my culture, and it makes me very proud. The parade is great. It's good because if you come a lot of times to Disney, you get to see something different in October, and I do come a lot of times. So this is great for me that there's some new attractions. It's funny and joyful, and I love that. Happy Halloween, everyone! Mwah!